Hello friends, you are well known about the chemical kinetics. So here we see multiple choice questions of chemical kinetics from physical chemistry paper. For other topic you click on the link given in the description box. So please check the description box. Friends, subscribe my channel for such videos which are most useful to your upcoming exam. Like my videos and share to your friends. So let us start multiple choice questions from topic chemical kinetics. Here we see first question. Dot dot is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of velocity or rate of chemical reactions. So option A kinetics, B chemical kinetics, C thermodynamics, D none of these. So correct option is option B, that is chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of velocity or rate of chemical reaction. Second question, an increase of temperature will dot dot the rate of chemical reaction. Increases, decreases, both A and B, none of these. So correct option is A. An increase of temperature will increase the rate of chemical reaction. Which of the following are the simultaneous reactions? Opposing reaction, side reaction, chain reaction, all of these. So correct option is D, that is all of these. Simultaneous reaction, opposing reaction, side reaction, chain reaction are the simultaneous reaction. Other examples of simultaneous reaction are explosive reaction, consecutive reaction. Remember that consecutive reaction and explosive reaction are also simultaneous reaction. The next reaction in which the products of a chemical change react to form the original reactants are known as dot dot reactions. Opposing, side, chain, parallel. So correct option is opposing reaction, reaction in which products of a chemical change react to form the original reactants are known as opposing reaction. Also friends, you remember that opposing reaction is also known as reversible reaction. Opposing reaction is also known as reversible reaction or counter reaction or counter reaction. Then next, the reaction which gives maximum amount of product is known as dot dot reaction. Main reaction, major reaction, both A and B, none of these. So correct option is C. The reaction in which gives maximum amount of product is known as main reaction and major reaction. Next question, which of the following are examples of opposing reaction? Isomerization of cyclopropene into propene, esterification of acid, hydrolysis of ethyl acetate in aqueous solution, all of these. So correct option is D, all of these. So isomerization of cyclopropene into propene, esterification of acids, hydrolysis of ethyl acetate in aqueous solution, all these are examples of opposing reaction. Another example of opposing reactions are also, that is conversion of alpha D glucose into beta D glucose, or ammonium cyanate into urea, or dissociation of hydrogen iodide. These are also examples of the opposing reaction. Remember that. Nitration of phenol is an example of dot dot reaction. Opposing, successive, parallel, explosive. So correct option is C, nitration of phenol. Remember that nitration of phenol is an example of parallel reaction. Parallel reaction are also known as side reaction or competing reaction. Remember that parallel reaction is also known as side reaction or competing reaction. The next, chemical reactions which proceed from reactants to products through one or more intermediate stages are called reaction. Consecutive, successive, both A or B, D, parallel. So correct option is C, both A or B. That is, it is known as consecutive reaction or successive reaction. Examples of consecutive reactions are reaction between hydrogen peroxide and hydrogen iodide in aqueous solution, thermal decomposition of acetone, decomposition of sodium hypochlorite, all of these. So examples of consecutive reaction is reaction between hydrogen peroxide and hydrogen iodide in aqueous solution, thermal decomposition of acetone, as well as decomposition of sodium hypochlorite. So correct option is option D, that is all of these. Then next, reactions which proceed in a series of successive stages initiated by suitable primary processes are called reaction. Opposing, chain, side, consecutive. So correct option is option B, that is chain reaction. Such type of reaction which proceed in a series of successive stages initiated by suitable primary processes are called chain reaction. The next, mechanism of chain reaction consists of stages 1, 2, 3, 4. So mechanism of chain reaction consists of 3 stages. Next, mechanism of chain reaction involves chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination, all of these. So in last question we see that mechanism of chain reaction consists of 3 stages, that is chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination. So correct option is D, that is all of these. Reaction of hydrogen and chlorine gases to form hydrogen chloride is an example of reaction. Opposing, parallel, chain, consecutive. So correct option is chain reaction, that is option C. Reaction of hydrogen gas and chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride is an example of chain reaction. Another example of chain reaction is thermal decomposition of acetaldehyde. Thermal decomposition of acetaldehyde is also example of the chain reaction. Remember that. The occurrence of explosion depends on the of the system. Temperature, pressure, both A and B, none of these. So the occurrence of explosion depends on temperature and pressure of the system. So correct option is C, both A and B. Last question, in the sequence of reaction A to B, B to C, C to D, during that A to B rate of reaction is K1, B to C K2, C to D K3. K3 is greater than K2 is greater than K1, then the rate determining step is. Here always remember that for which stage the rate of reaction is small, then that one is the rate determining step. So K1 is small. So K1 is for which changes small? A to B. So correct option is option A. Here we completed the multiple choice questions related to topic chemical kinetics. Friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Still some friends do not subscribe. So subscribe, like and share please. In description box I given link for topics of inorganic chemistry paper. So please click on it and take benefit for preparation of exam. So once again, thank you very much.